everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
While facing slightly to the left, extend your left arm out to the left, then swing your right arm in a full clockwise circle. Lower your arms and turn to the left until you are facing the right. Bend your right knee and tap your right foot down, then bring it back up as you lean back and clap your hands up and to the right twice, then bring your right foot back down. Lean forward and clap your hands down and to the right once as you tap your left foot down. Repeat all of these moves again. Take 4 steps around to the left, starting on the left foot until your back is to the camera. Wait 1 count, then step over to the right with your right foot as you turn your upper body to the left until you are facing the camera. Step in place on your left foot and tap your right foot down as you lean forward and clap down and to the left twice. Then lean back as you step in place on your right foot, tap your left foot down and clap up into your left once. Repeat all of these moves again. Now, with your palms facing down, move your shoulders up and down as you take 5 steps around to the left, starting on the left foot until you are facing the camera again. While facing slightly to the left, extend your left arm out to the left as you step over to the right with your right foot, then swing your right arm in a large clockwise circle as you slide your left foot closer to your right foot. Hop slightly to bring your feet further apart and bend both elbows, bringing your right arm back and your left arm forward. Tap your right heel in time with the music as you move your arms back and forth and lean forward for 6 counts, then move your arms a bit faster as you lean back for the last 2 counts. You should end with your right arm forward. Hop up, bringing your feet together as you turn both arms in a clockwise circle, keeping your elbows bent. Hop forward and to the right as you spin your arms in another clockwise circle, then hop to the right and spin your arms again. Do this once again. Lower your arms so that your palms are facing down, then bend your knees as you move your hands up and down. Stand back up, then take 3 steps around to the left, starting on the left foot, until you are facing the camera again, then plant your right foot out to the right. Bend your knees and bring both fists in near your chest. Throw your fists out to either side as you lean to the right. Do this 3 more times, keeping with the music. Put your right fist on your cheek and place your left fist under your right elbow. Tap your right heel and nod in time with the music for 2 counts, then extend the index finger of your right hand and shake it as you continue to tap your right heel and nod. Jump slightly to bring your feet together and bend your knees a bit as you swing your fists from up near your shoulders to down near your legs. Do this 3 more times. Bring your right knee up, your left arm forward, and your right arm back. Then bring your right foot down and your left knee up and switch the positions of your arms. Switch back to the previous position, then step in place on your left foot, put your hands behind your back, and tilt your head to the left. Hold this pose for 2 counts. Keeping your elbows bent, move your fists out to either side as you lean to the right, then clap twice near the right side of your face. Repeat this move to the left, then again to the right. Bring your right knee up, your left arm forward, and your right arm back, then take 4 steps back, switching the positions of your arms with each step. Hop in place as you put both fists on your hips, then cross your index fingers above your head, keeping your elbows bent, as you hop on your left foot 4 times with your right knee bent and the toes of your right foot tapping down as you hop. Turn a bit more to the left, put your left fist on your hip, and move your right fist up and down in time with your right knee as you continue to hop on your left foot and tap your right foot down. Do this for 4 counts, or 8 times total, then extend your right arm straight up and point at the camera with the index finger of your right hand as you continue to hop for another 2 counts. Bring your fists in near your chest with your elbows pointing out to either side. Step toward the camera on your right foot as you move your elbows down, then move your elbows up and down as you step forward on your left foot and lean forward. Step back on your right foot and move your elbows up and down again, then bring your left foot back to meet your right foot as you move your elbows once more. Repeat the first 6 counts of Section 1 of Part 2. Move your feet in the same manner as you did for the last 2 counts of Section 1 of Part 2, but keep your left fist on your hip and move your right hand back and forth above your head. Keep your knees bent when you bring your left foot back to meet your right foot. Hold your pose for 3 counts, then step forward and a bit to the right with your right foot as you slide your left foot a bit closer to your right foot, and extend your left arm up and to the left and your right arm down and to the right. While shaking both hands, step in place on your right foot, then cross your left foot over your right foot, then bring your right foot up to meet your left foot. Step over to the left with your left foot and slide your right foot along as you bring your hands near your shoulders, then move them up and out, then down. Bend your left knee to the left as you bring your right arm up, keeping your elbow bent, then put your left hand on your right arm and tilt your head to the right. Nod once, then step in place on your left foot, swing your right arm clockwise until it is by your side, and tap your right foot down. Step down on your right foot and tap the toes of your left foot down as you clap up and to the left twice and lean back. Now step down on your left foot and tap the toes of your right foot down as you lean forward and clap down and to the left once. Repeat all of these moves again. Bring your arms down to your sides with your palms facing down and move your shoulders up and down as you take 5 steps over to the right, starting on your right foot and ending with your left side facing the camera. Swing your right arm in a full clockwise circle. Put your left hand behind your back and bend your right elbow, bringing your right hand, with your index finger extended, up near your shoulder. Tap your left heel in time with the music as you shake your finger back and forth for 2 counts, then put your right hand on your chest and continue to tap your heel for the next 2 counts. Keep tapping your left heel as you tap your chest with your right hand for the next 2 counts. Bring your right fist up and shake it 3 times. Repeat Section 4 of Part 1. Repeat Section 5 of Part 1, but lean to the left and tap your left heel instead. Repeat the first 6 counts of Section 6 of Part 1, then turn to the left. Keeping your elbows bent, bring your right arm forward and your left arm back. Switch their positions 3 times as you lean forward. With your left hand on your hip, plant your right foot over to the right and lean to the right as you throw your right fist over to the right. Drop your hand, then immediately bring it back up, extend your index finger, and shake it twice. Lean to the left, then bring your right hand up again and shake your finger twice. Lean to the right and bring your right hand up again. Step in place on your left foot, then bring your right knee up, your left arm forward, and your right arm back. Switch the positions of your arms as you take 3 steps back. Hop once with your fists on your hips, then extend your right arm straight out toward the camera with the thumb of your right hand extended, and bounce on your left foot 4 times as you tap the toes of your right foot down. Repeat Sections 1 and 2 of Part 2. Repeat Section 3 of Part 2, but point straight up with your right hand on the last count. While turned slightly to the right, lift your right knee up and clap above your head twice. Bring your right foot back down and move your arms outward, then bring your right knee back up and clap above your head once. Repeat all of these moves again. Now do these moves to the left twice. Do these moves to the right 2 more times. Do these moves to the left 1 more time, then bring your feet together and put your left fist on your hip. Hop in place 4 times as you punch up with your right fist 4 times. Extend your right arm up and to the right as you extend your left leg down and to the left. Bring your left foot back down and move your right fist over to the left. Punch out with your right fist 4 times, moving down and to the right each time and bending your knees as you do so. Jump slightly to bring your feet back together as you move your right arm straight up with your index finger extended. Then repeat the last 4 counts of Section 1 of Part 2. Repeat Sections 2 and 3 of Part 2. Repeat the first 4 counts of Section 4 of Part 2, then take 5 steps around to the right, starting on the right foot until your back is to the camera. Step out to the right with your right foot and turn your upper body to the left so that you are facing the camera. Repeat the first 7 counts of Section 2 of Part 1. On the fourth beat, put your left hand behind your head, extend your right arm straight out toward the camera with your palm facing up, and bend your left knee to the left. On the next beat, bend your right elbow as you move your right hand over to the right and bend your right knee to the right. On the last beat, extend your right arm straight up and jump up. Once you land, bring your arms in, then move them up and out, then down. End by bending your left knee to the left and crossing your arms in front of you.